Today, we will show you what spot it is and how to play with me, Ars.
And me, Mason. So first, there are 55 cards in the deck.
There are two ways to play. First, we will show you the one which is more played.
The first thing you want to do is put one card in the middle.
Then, you want to split the deck with the amount of people you have.
You want to play with an even number of people to make sure everyone gets equal amount of cards.
This is a quick demo of how you play. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Dragon.
Snowball thingy.
Zebra.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Good boy. Tyrannosaurus. T-Rex. How do you do this?
Moon. I don't have anything.
Sig. Cactus. Hearts.
I still don't have anything. Oh, I have the turtle. Tree. Tree.
Tree. Ladybug. Let's just say candy. They're so good.
Clown.
Yeah, so the goal of this game is to be the first person with no cards. You want to play with an even amount of people to make sure everyone gets an equal amount of cards. This is game number 2. First, you shuffle the deck.
Then, after you shuffle the deck, remove one card from the deck.
Then split the deck in half.
After you split the deck in half, you want to draw 2 cards each time.
Whoever finds out the similarities between the two wins that round.
And whoever has the most cards at the end of the round, they win.
If 2 people say it at the same time, then they both get the card, and you can't place your hand above the cards to block the views of other people.
This game mode doesn't require a certain amount of people, so you can play with an odd number of people.
We will show you a quick demo of how to play. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Bird, mine. Cat, mine.
How'd you know?
These
These guys.
guys,
frozen.
ghosties.
Yeah, ghosties.